In front of me is POCO X6 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access safety and emergency. Following that, select emergency contacts and tap on add contact. Now click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!